Welcome to the channel. Today's lecture is based on carbonyl and classification of carbonyl. The first key point of carbonyl is that carbonyl act as a functional group in a complex or a compound in which it attached. Carbonyl molecule or a species consists of two atoms, carbon double bonded with oxygen, carbon double bonded with oxygen atom, two pair of electron present on oxygen atom and one pair of electron present on carbon atom. Through this electron pair shifting towards metal, it form a metal carbonyl complex. The second key point of the carbonyl molecule is that carbonyl act as a ligand in organometallic compounds. And many other organic compounds. Because carbonyl functional group act both in organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry as a ligand. If the carbonyl complex or a ligand or a functional group attached with metal like this, and the second resonance structure, the complex is called as metal carbonyls. There are two resonance structure of the metal carbonyls and the carbonyl species. Such complexes in which carbonyl act as a ligand or as a functional group, the overall complex called as metal carbonyls. Now I will discuss the classification of carbonyl. Carbonyls or metal carbonyl is based on number of atoms, number of metal atoms that attached with the carbonyl. If the number of metal atom attached with the carbonyl is 1, then the complex or a compound is known as mononuclear. Mononuclear carbonyls. If the complex attached with the carbonyl species is 2, the metal atoms are 2 metal atoms are attached with the carbonyl, then the complex is known as binuclear carbonyl. If the metal atom attached with the carbonyl more than 2, then the complex is, if more than 2 metal atoms attached with the carbonyl, then the complex is known as polynuclear carbonyl. Now I will discuss the properties and examples of these three classes one by one. First, I will discuss the characteristics and properties of the mononuclear carbonyls. Mononuclear carbonyls. Mononuclear carbonyls, as the word indicates that mono means one, nuclear means nucleus, one nucleus. One nucleus indicates that one atom. Such carbonyls in which only one metal atom is attached with the carbonyl, then the complex is known as mononuclear carbonyl. The mononuclear carbonyl. Examples of mononuclear carbonyl: nickel tetracarbonyl, vanadium hexacarbonyl, iron pentacarbonyl. The number of carbon atoms attached with these three different metals are different. So in mononuclear carbonyls, the number of carbonyl attached with the transition metal or any other metal is 4 to 6. मतलब कार्बोनाइल की जो नंबर ऑफ कार्बोनाइल्स हैं जो अटैच होंगे मेटल के साथ, वो मोनोन्यूक्लियर कार्बोनाइल्स में वो यहाँ तो 4 होंगे, 5 होंगे, 6 होंगे, मतलब 4 से लेके 6 तक होंगे कार्बोनाइल यहाँ पे जो अटैच होंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे भी है कि निकल के साथ कितने कार्बोनाइल अटैच हैं 4, वेनेडियम के साथ कितने कार्बोनाइल अटैच हैं 6, और आयरन के साथ कितने कार्बोनाइल अटैच हैं? 5, मतलब 4 to 6 की रेंज में एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं नंबर ऑफ कार्बोनाइल्स जो कि ट्रांजिशन मेटल के साथ अटैच हैं इन मोनोन्यूक्लियर कार्बोनाइल्स. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द binuclear carbonyls. Now I will discuss binuclear carbonyl. As the word indicates that bi, two, nuclear, two nucleus. Two nucleus indicates that in binuclear complexes or binuclear carbonyls, two metal atoms attached with the carbonyl. Two metals. So the definition of the binuclear carbonyls is arranged in such a way that such complexes in which two metal atoms attached with the functional group or a ligand carbonyl, then the complex is known as binuclear carbonyls. And some examples of the binuclear carbonyls are some examples of binuclear carbonyl complex. Here Fe2CO9, Mn2CO10, CO2 cobalt, dicobalt, octacarbonyl. In binuclear carbonyl complexes, the range of the carbonyl attached with the central metal atom exists in 8 to 10. Here, in iron complex, there are 9 number of carbonyls attached with the central metal atom. In a manganese complex, there are 10 number of carbonyls attached with the central metal atom. And in a cobalt complex, there are 8 number of carbonyls attached with the central metal atom. So the range is satisfied in these 3 examples. Now I will discuss polynuclear carbonyl complexes. Binuclear carbonyl complexes also divided in 2 classes. Binuclear carbonyl also divided into the first class is homo binuclear carbonyl complex and the second class is hetero binuclear carbonyl complex. As the word indicates that homo means same and hetero means different. Different number of carbonyls attached, different number of different number of metal atoms attached in a heteronuclear carbonyl complexes and same number of carbonyls attached, same number of metal atoms attached in a homonuclear carbonyl complexes. Example of homobinuclear carbonyl complex example is diosmium nonacarbonyl. An example of heteronuclear bicarbonyl complex. Heteronuclear bicarbonyl complexes in this manganese and cobalt, two different atoms attached with 8 carbonyl. So there is a heteronuclear because two different atoms attached with carbonyl. So these are 2 examples of homonuclear carbonyl complex and here is an example of heteronuclear carbonyl complex. Now I will discuss characteristics of polynuclear carbonyl complex. The last is the polynuclear carbonyl. Polynuclear carbonyl complexes. Poly means many and as I discussed earlier, nuclear means nucleus. Many nucleus indicates that more than 2 metal atoms attached with carbonyls. More than 2 metals. In the polynuclear carbonyl complexes, more than 2 metal atoms attached with the carbonyls. There are some examples of the polynuclear carbonyl complexes. Examples of polynuclear: RH6 CO16 the first. ऑस्मियम का कॉम्प्लेक्स है कार्बोनाइल के साथ OS5 5 ऑस्मियम के एटम्स अटैच्ड हैं 6 कार्बोनाइल्स के साथ. कोबाल्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स in which 12 number of carbonyls attached with the cobalt. There are 3 polynuclear carbonyl complexes in which more than 2 metal atoms attached with the carbonyl. So, the upcoming lecture is based on next classification of carbonyl in which that based on structure of carbonyl. That in which form carbonyl functional group or a ligand attached with the central metal atom. Structure of carbonyl discussed in the upcoming lecture.